Hello guys, hello everyone. Now you can see the island CatBa and the driver of the ferry. Hello, xin chào. It was a ferry driver or speedboat driver. One of the most beautiful and amazing islands in northern Vietnam. I'm going to show you right now. Ooh, at last, after 2 months of job, adventures, many issues. Today I have a day off, second day off, just a half day, but today I will go back to the job later. I came yesterday to Haiphong city, and from Haiphong to here I came by bus, and now by speedboat, and I will research this beautiful, amazing island together with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe this channel, give me a like and write me some nice comments. Push the bell near the button subscribe and write me some nice comments. And share this video with your friends. My name is Oleg, I'm Ukrainian traveler who have been traveling already 4 years all around the world for free. Let's research this world together. See you at the end of the world, guys. Hug you everyone. Welcome to Vietnam. God bless you.